Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat and I fix, I destroy, and neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary. Ntori ke tonyala jwang o etsa so.
Na let you know igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Na lesigqoko saka Jesu.
Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Yes. Clumsy. He doesn't mind. He's so secure.
Secure.
Hi, guys. Hello. I'm sorry to ambush you guys. I go around asking couples questions. Would you guys mind? Just come closer.
Mine.
You mind? Nia Pisana, just come closer.
If some keep her out,
Nyam Kup.
you keep her out. It's a messenger that make the not touch.
Really? Look, guys, just 5 questions and then you guys can go. It's for my TikTok. Yeah.
Low my questions, yes, they telling you.
No. Where did you guys meet? What do you like about him? What's his favorite color? So, yeah, that's...
I intend looking to
I can't go, you guys were asking what kind of questions. So, are you willing?
Yeah.
I mean,
It's just you.
what you I mean, I mind.
You don't mind?
I am mind.
Are you not hiding your man?
No, I'm not.
You're not. So then you don't have a problem with us asking you guys questions and appearing with him on camera. You don't mind.
Just check it.
Girl, the restaurant is not going anywhere.
You say 5 questions.
Yeah.
Usisi showing up.
All right.
5
It's
questions.
fine. Yeah, yes, so go listen.
Gates laban today.
Exactly, Nalena Gates abantu. I think this is better. Yeah, I think this is better over here.
Comfortable here.
Yeah. All right, on my right, sir. Come on my left, sis. All right, name?
Amfa.
Sorry?
Amfa.
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 Yeah.
How do you spell that?
AMPFA.
Oh, Amfa.
Yeah.
Okay. And?
I'm Vuyo.
Vuyo.
Yes.
Okay, Vuyo, how long have you been with Amfa?
It's been 7 months now.
7 months.
Yes.
Still going strong?
Yeah, siyange mama sisi. Yes, ngiyabona na imuhle kanjani.
Yes. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. And where did you meet Vuyo?
Oh, we met at the club.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You met at the club?
Yes.
How did that interaction go? How did he initiate stuff? Did he approach you? Did he send a drink over?
I sent a drink over.
He sent a drink over. What were you drinking?
Yeah. That's a secret. Marasavana.
Why are you guys embarrassed when... Do you know how much... Dlamini, why did you hesitate saying Savannah? Are you embarrassed that you're drinking Savannah? I like Savannah. You guys need to stop being embarrassed about Savannah. Yeah. Yes, I drink alcohol. I'm a grown woman.
Oh, okay.
Did you want to say champagne? Would that have been the better answer?
Yes, I will.
Guys, okay. Do you find Savannah? Do you think Savannah's embarrassing?
Not that much.
Really? What's wrong with Savannah? Okay, let me phrase it that way. What's wrong with Savannah? Does it when you drink Savannah, does it mean you're cheap or you don't have money or what?
Yeah, it means we're cheap.
Huh?
Uchaza ngome. Ngizwe savana ngaphandle kwesavana beyangikangikho.
Oh, so it's strategy.
So I'm come this side by skirt. So I'm telling Elisa Van.
Hayi ngoba ngimthandile sisi ngithaze
Today was trying to pants Savannah.
Ngibona beauty
Alpha, don't do that to us.
Yeah.
Ha.
Yazi ngimthanda. The 7 months nje siqhubile hayi.
Yeah.
Yayinginikeza leyo nto ukuthi nami yindoda man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I want to know what happened on the night of the club. Did you go home together or you just switched numbers and then that was it?
I just booked a guest house so that we get to know each other better.
At the guest house?
Yes.
Okay, what happened at the guest house?
Yeah.
Adult things.
There's like season my personal things. Season
Yeah.
in a joy parrot. There's a joy
Okay.
inside.
Something sweet.
Guys.
Yeah.
Hectic.
Yeah, so yeah.
Okay,
Then
okay.
we made love from there.
Okay, I get it. Okay, Amfa, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust your man?
10.
10. Okay. And Vuyo, how much do you trust her?
100.
100. So,
It's 100.
10
More
out
than
of 10.
Yeah, I don't get too much.
so in the 7 months you guys have been together, nothing's happened. That is weird.
Nothing.
Can you just... Yeah, nothing's happened.
Nothing happened.
Nothing suspicious. And you've
nothing.
never gone through her phone.
I never tried.
Okay. Amfa, have you ever gone through his phone? All right. Would you like to go through his phone ever if you were given the opportunity?
Yo, why?
No, you wouldn't. Vuyo, would you take the opportunity to go through her phone?
Yeah, I can go through her phone, but she must not go through mine, you see.
Wow. She must not go through yours, but she can
Yeah.
go through hers.
Yeah,
Okay, let me tell you what the show is about, okay?
You mean daughter.
What does that even mean, Vuyo?
Mina yimi okumele ngibangazi ukuthi wenzani ngoba ngisikhathi yimi indoda ngithi.
What is... So when now you can do anything and you can cheat, you can...
Mina vele ngiyazithemba ngeke ngichithele vele.
But why can't you check your phone, girl?
Angeke ngibe comfortable no.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, let me tell you what we do on the show, okay? So that you guys can decide. What we do on the show, we basically make couples switch phones, okay? So you guys go through each other's WhatsApps and you guys check there if your partner's not cheating on you, okay? Would you guys be willing to do that?
No, sis. Where you married?
Our phone.
Oh, sis.
Hayi.
Hassan.
Sama. Are you okay? Just check my phone. Why you doing?
Uyalwa, uyalwa.
Shahile.
Walwa ngathi busy. Sina 7 months sithandana manje wayo.
Hassan.
Hayi baby, hayi ungayenzi le nto sweetie. Yeah.
Too late, no.
Good. Okay, just check it. How many minutes?
1 minute.
Oh, 1 minute. Yabo, 1 minute. 1 minute nje.
So you don't want to give your man 60 seconds to go through your WhatsApp? Are you hiding something in there, Amfa? What is in your WhatsApp, Amfa?
Ngathi uchachaga. Baby.
Khona into wrong. Khona into fun.
Lutho yo.
Wakhumula nama-bread, baby.
Talk to your woman, please.
Go keep it.
Adidiliwe,
Yabo
son.
yami ngiyayikhipha ngiswabeni nayi ngiyayikhipha. Baby, ifoni yami nayi yabo ngiyayikhipha. Ngicela ukhiphe yakho. Ubonise ukuthi angichitheli.
So Amfa uyacheata, ne?
Angichi.
Why you lo kanje?
Yo.
Let's another package. It's keep your phone. Yeah, keep. Go keep your phone.
Amfa?
How baby, walwa kanje ngefoni. Keep your phone, baby.
Eish.
Thank you. We'll start with yours, ne? We need your... Let me take it, Amfa. Yeah. Okay, passcode,
Okay,
password.
ngikubambe mina.
Just open your phone, ne? Skat,
Okay.
we'll start with yours.
Okay.
Okay. Please, okay. All right. Go to his WhatsApp, ne? Okay. Type love you.
I have lines.
Okay. Okay, delete that.
Ngimthanda.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay, type
Siphamla umkhuhlane.
miss you.
I have lines.
Okay. Okay, delete that. Type babe.
Uye kuphela ubheki la efonini.
Mm-mm.
Uye kuphela. Abalahla bonke. Masiceda ukuhlangana nje.
Okay. Delete that. Type outside. Let's see who he's fetching. Okay. Delete that. Type thank you. Let's see who he's fetching. Yo, who he's doing favors, my bad.
No one.
Okay. Delete that. Type Woza.
Uze.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Okay. Delete that. Type Ageko.
Hey. Sisangithembi mos.
I don't.
Yeah.
Nothing. Okay, delete that. Type test. Okay. Delete. Type pregnant.
Hayi angazimiseli yomntana hayi.
You-
Asabe ngijahile.
Hayi
There's nothing. Delete that.
Usachecka.
Type morning after. I can see that. Ungujahile. Akajahanga yena.
Sisi.
Type.
Give him his phone. It's okay. Give me your phone. Thank you, sir. Can I say
Angisho so sesonisekile angisho babe.
Can you have your phone, Amfa?
Kodwa nje ucheck yakho sisi.
Sis.
Yeah, I can talk to your woman.
Let's phone yakho hey.
Do you know the password or passcode?
Ufake ne pin. Yo. Hayi ubusy baby. Awungeke.
Please turn around, ne? Okay. Okay. Type love you.
Wait.
Ile ntombazana.
Angatype nokutype. Unemihlobo.
Type quickly. Type love you. Type.
Hayi mina.
Okay. Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Hayi. It's only
Okay.
me.
Great. Okay, delete that. Type babe.
Man.
Hi, bo
Gotcha.
Amfa.
Hey.
Amfa?
Hey. Sibaningi abo baby.
Yini?
Kuno baby wePolo, baby Volvo. Baby hey, uhamba ngemoto moswena.
Go into Polo.
Yo.
Hey, Polo.
Yo.
So what?
Ima kancane baby, ima kancane.
Yo.
Umqinizolo. Umqinizolo lo muntu. Hey, angizwa.
What's his name?
Hey, wamsave ngobaby Polo.
What's his name?
Yeah,
Baby,
no
baby
baby
Polo. What's
Polo.
his name?
Angmazi.
Hey. Awumazi ngisave ngobaby Polo lo weVolvo yena.
Angmazi.
Isefonini yakho le.
Angmazi ifoni yami.
Go into the conversation. We might see a name. Just scroll.
Hi. It looks like ngathi bekudala busy labantu abadala they've been busy for a long
scroll. So
time.
let's go up at the top.
Hey. Ha. Amanuthi. Usendela.
Give me the phone.
Mistake.
Hey. Hayi ngicela ukusearch pregnancy njengoba useshile la efonini yami ngicela ukubheka ukuthi akafihlanga nix.
Pregnant.
Hey. Hey.
Some check your pregnancy.
Hayi. Ungangihlangisi izandla zibeke phansi, beka izandla phansi, ungangihlangisi.
Ifoni yami.
Ungangihlangisi ngiyacela tu.
Ifoni yami le.
Yima, wait.
Simfonele wePolo. Oh. So hamba ngamaPolo wena ngoba mina ngise McDonald manje.
So bezoba
uyodla kamnandi manje.
Beba ungithembi.
What do you mean?
Thembu bani lo baby Polo umsendela namanuthi mina ungakazi ungisendela.
Angmazi.
Hey, angijwayela.
So you guys exchanged numbers in last year actually. You can actually take it because the many number guy Lendos.
Yeah, ngijwayela kabi ngifidi ne.
Hi, can I please speak to Tato?
Angmazi ubaby Polo angmazi.
Awumazi.
Hello.
Angmazi sham.
Hello. Thathu.
Baby
Oh, ucome kancane. Thathu ufunani kuAmfa? Endoda, wenzani noAmfa?
Angmazi uThato.
Amfa imedi yakho from nini ngicome kancane ne ngangihlangisi. Hey. Baba. Baba wena ulanda icherry yami wena ebusuku.
Ungazile ukuthi cherry yakho. Ngithe angmazi.
Yini udakwele emoto uyahlanya na? Usuka phi wena sana? Usuka phi? Ndoda uhlukane nomuntu. Wena sana usuka phi wena? Ngangijwayela amasimba yezo.
Angmazi lo muntu.
Angisidwe na sana angifidi. Udakwa umuntu odrive iPolo. Udakwa iPolo.
Angmazi.
Yena sana udakwa iPolo ne.
Awumazi.
Ngikususe venda mina ngikususe venda ukuthi uzongijolela nabantu bamaphola.
Mazi.
Yena sana ungijwayeli kabi wena ngithenga imoto.
Wangathi nawe yaphapha nje.
Ungathi yaphapha endoda wanahlangana bana lo muntu.
Angimazi.
Usuka va wena sana.
Angimazi.
Wena ungijwayela kabi wena. Wena ungijwayela kabi wena ngijwayela kabi wena.
Guys,
Ngeke uzongijolela kanje.
I'm sorry.
Ngeke uzongijolela kaso.
Oh,
Wena sana wena. Angifili. Angifili. Yazi ngispende malini kuwe. Yazi ngispende malini.
Investment. I'm sorry.
Lento oyizele la.
Wabona nje wasilisa.
Lento oyizele la.
Angimazi baby.
Angifili.
Relax my skirt. Please. Oh, Dlamini.
Angimazi so.
I'm sorry.
Ngeke ngimshaye.
Okay.
Ngeke
Dlamini, let him go, please.
ngeke ngimshaye ngeke.
Angimazi.
Makangifike. Ngoba nginamoto mina.
I'm sorry.
Ngoba ngisebenza.
I'm sorry.
Thina ngingakenza izinto ezimnandi la. Awusathi nami le McDonald's letha naleyo phone. Bongena phone la mofike. So ne phone namhlanje. Ne phone namhlanje wena. Ngijwayela. Yewena. Ozala.
Amfa, please leave. Amfa, please leave. Go to where you were going.
Ozala wena. Wasaphinde uze kwa. Wasaphinde uze. Yasaphinde kulala. Ngijwayela kabi wena.
Oh my goodness.
So nyanyeke bafonyeke. Bangeke. Wena ungazi.
Dlamini, come, let's go.
Ngijwayela kabi wena ngifile.
Dlamini,
Wasaphinde uze kwami.
we're in front of someone's gate. That makes me uncomfortable.
Ungazongihlaza endaweni so. Ngijwayela kabi.
Dlamini.
Wabona now.
I'm sorry.
Abana.
Okay, we'll do you need transport home?
Ngijwayela kabi wena ngifile.
Oh no, the transport.
Angimazi.
Ngifile.
Angimazi.
Ngikususele lokushini ngiletha la. Ngikususele lokushini ngiletha la isizini uzongenza lento engenza yona.
Thembi kanti.
Ngikususe emakhabishini ngiletha imali ethisini uzongenza lento.
Amfa.
Ozala.
Amfa, please leave.
Ozala.
Angithembi kanti.
Please leave.
Wena ungijwayela kabi.
Awunadathi.
Ubani indoda ephona? Anginatingi.
Awunababa boom.
Angisakunika mnandi. Yena. Letha lo bag uthenga lo bani. Hey. Ngicela ukuthatha ikhasi yami.
Okay.
Take my bag.
No, you can't. Relax, relax.
I got bag.
Okay. We need you to stop being violent. Just relax. Yes, I understand.
No.
But you need to relax.
It's you who did this.
I'm sorry.
I was not gonna break up with her.
Oh, you were not?
It's
What?
my girl, that one.
So what's the
It's my
plan?
beauty.
So what's the plan? Do you want to stay with her?
If she's teasing me with the person who's driving, me, I'm spending too much money for taxi here. And then she's doing like this. Hey!
Okay, my skirt. Okay.
Zone!
Dlamini, why are you letting him go?
Yeah?
Go! Dlamini! Dlamini, if something happens to that girl, if something happens to that girl,
Ambulala. Ubulawa yimi. Ngezandla ngeke.
we need to actually watch that interaction because... Okay, it looks like he's calmed down. How do we thingy? Ish, I don't like someone's garden shame. How do we get across, Dlamini? Finally. Huh? Dlamini, I'm in a relationship now. I can't do this with you. You can't carry me. I can lie on your chair, on your shoulder, but you can't carry me. That's too much.
Okay.
Yeah.
I need to tell secure.
But he doesn't watch the show anyway.
Ukubona ukuthi how secure he is.
But that doesn't mean you need to carry me.
Ngibona ukuthi
No. Didn't say in relationship yam. Come, sondela kancane.
umcimbi odwa senu. Umcimbi senu.
Dlamini, why must you talk about that?
Ngiyabuza.
Anyway, it would not be new, so it's not.
Wona ke na udabula.
Yeah, look, I dated this man before.
Manje silokho ebuyile vela ngaka.
What's none of your business?
Sengiqabulene kodwa.
That's none of your business.
Okay.
Those details.
Aku obvious.
Those details are not for CMTV viewers or you.
Aku obvious. Kumina seku obvious. So
Okay, anyway, we won't be discussing my relationship anymore
okay.
because I'm in a serious relationship now and it's important to me and
Uthe serious.
it's sacred to me.
Uthi
So we
serious.
will no longer discuss in my
This
relationship.
is the last time we were talking.
Yes. What, Lamini? Oh, it's a piece of hair. So we will no longer discuss my relationship until it's over, of which is not going to be over.
Which will be over soon. Very. When don't be surprised when you come back next time. Usuthola ukuthi seku.
No, that's
Okay.
not going to happen.
All right.
Ke gama lika Yesu.
Why kumele kufaka uyesu ebudeni siyazi ukuthi ngeke izenzeke vele so.
Don't be jealous. Let's
I'm
close.
not. Yabona, honestly, I'm not jealous.
Okay.
For the first time, I'm not.
I believe you.
I'm not.
Okay. Okay, Jams.
Bothered? No.
Okay, fine. Can we wrap?
Abafowethu badla kamnandi kodwa hayi lamajita adla serious. Yabona thina sithi silele. Kulamajita adla kamnandi.
Lamini says that's disgusting.
Okay, ngiyaxolisa. Asami. Lisa is in a relationship, a serious guysin. She's in a serious relationship, Lisa, for now. Only for now. But I'm telling you, angeke iphele inyanga.
Wow.
Yabona siyangena ku March. Ask me nizongibuza. I'll
Let's
tell you.
bet.
Okay.
1K.
Oh, hayi woza.
Are you going to give it, Lamini?
Woza, I'll give it.
Okay.
Angeke kuphela uMarch, buka ngeke.
Okay. And I don't even have to say anything. You'll just check my wallpaper if it's still there.
Angeke kuphela uMarch, okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
The bet is on
It's on.
from Betway.
It's that's an absolute wrap for me. I'm so done with you. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _
Instagram, welcome_Dlamini88. On Facebook, it's welcome Dlamini. TikTok, same thing, welcome Dlamini. Ngiyabo.
Danko.
Sanibonani dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. Don't be yaseqebeha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale jino igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Nginesikhathi esingakanani nje nanokhaya?
Yes.
Uma phezulu ngadlala.